Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce with our head of Junior English, Mr. Nazrul Islam, on the stage. Give a huge round of applause for him.
In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. At first, I'd like to thank my honorable teacher and the presenter of this appreciation program, the Grand Reception Award 2024, who have achieved their excellent result in SSC and Dakhil examination, and have taken a good decision to take spoken English course from Prime English Academy. Well, first of all, I'd like to express my deepest gratitude to Almighty Allah, who has blessed us to gather here and to join today's wonderful Reception Award 2025. And my heartfelt thanks to organizers who arranged such a beautiful program for the candidates and for the students of Prime English Academy with such dedication and love. Well, so before starting my speech, I'd like to introduce myself. This is Nazrul Islam before you. So today I'm here, I'm speaking in front of you just because of our sir. Please give a huge round of applause for him. Well, dear students, today is difficult. Tomorrow is much more difficult. But the day after tomorrow will be beautiful. Most people die tomorrow evening, said by Jack Ma. I always give the example to the students. If you need motivation, you have to go to the farmer. If you need motivation, without any doubt, go to the father. You don't have to listen to anyone else in the world. The best motivation speaker, top-notch speaker in the world is your father. So, if you need dedication, see them. Most of us fathers, they live in abroad. That means they are expatriate. They have family. They have sons. They have daughters. But they cannot leave the place where they work. They have a desire to live with you happily, but they can't. Why? Just to make your life shine. Right? Right. So, what is your responsibility as a student? The responsibility is that you have to actually keep yourself in a position. Your parents will be rewarded. Your parents will be proud. You have taken a decision. So I think that you have the dedication. One day the dedication will give you the success. You started the journey. Never leave it until getting success. See what is in the end. Right? I have to see the ending part of this journey. I have to see it. Okay? So dream big. Set clear goals. You have to have a big dream. The dream is not like that. Today I go to sleep and I'm dreaming. Tomorrow I will speak fluently. No, you are totally wrong. Today you go to sleep and you dream at night. At the beginning of the day, everyone will come to me and I will just give them my signature. No. You cannot give the signature. To give the signature, you have to go through a process. You have to work hard. Do you know the basketball player? His name is Jordan. Michael Jordan, okay? If you need to learn something about a failure, he lost more than 100 games. How many games? More than 100 games. He never got chance again. But he never gave up. He never gave up. He tried. today or tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, one day I will become success. And then he became success. And another one is, he's a good runner. His name is, do you know Usain Bolt? Do you know Usain Bolt? For 9 seconds running. For how many hours? Not hours. For 9 seconds. He started taking exercise, and many hours he spent behind it. Then the world knows him. Then the world celebrating his success. So I want to make sure that whenever you will become success, everyone enjoy your success. Everyone cannot see your hard work. They will not see your passions. They will not see your dedication. Okay? So work hard and make your family proud. So I'd like to say a quote that is, your future is created by what you do today. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. So don't keep the tasks for tomorrow. Keep it once. If you have tasks today, you have time, go for it. Finish it. So finally, I want to leave you this word, the 3 word. Believe in yourself. What? Believe in yourself. I believe to myself. That's why I'm here. And next one is work hard. What? Work hard. Just you believe yourself, but you don't work hard. That is nothing. You will vanish. What's that? That will not give you anything, sir. Okay? And the last one is trust in God. Trust in Allah. Just He wants. Are you trying or not? So I have not much time. I will not prolong my speech here today. I have taken much time from you, sir. Well, dear my students, thank you very much for being here today, sir. And thank you very much for listening to me very carefully. So I hope that you will have a better future. And thank you. And congratulations to all award winners. May Allah bless all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.